Filter views can help you review and analyze data in Google Sheets. Open up the Google Sheet with the data you want to review. Select the range of data that you want to filter. Select the arrow next to the filter icon in the toolbar, then select Create Filter View. You can also get there by hitting Data, Create Filter View in the toolbar menu. Save the view. Adjust the filter name and range, if desired. Hit the small filter icon at the top of the column for the data you selected. Select your filter type. Filtering by value allows you to select which values you keep. Filtering by condition allows you to pick a condition for the displayed data. Hit OK once you've selected your desired filter settings. You'll see the results of your filtering right away. Select the cog in the right-hand corner of the filter if you want to change the settings. From there, you can rename the filter, adjust the range, duplicate it, or delete it. Hit the X if you want to close your filter view. The filter will still be saved for future use unless you manually delete it. Access the filter again by hitting the arrow next to the filter icon in the toolbar. From that menu, you can select the filter by the name you gave it earlier. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.